commemorating the most dreadful, melancholy catastrophe, the blowing up of the Nottingham Canal Company's warehouse by 21 barrels of gunpowder. Well, you learn something new every day, as they say. I never knew that. I'm down by the Nottingham Canal. Just a bit of an update really. I'm still carrying on with the boat, but more importantly, if you're into drone footage, then do check out my channel. I've set a separate one up for that. You can catch me on YouTube. The link is below. youtube.com/@viewfromadrone. This is sort of the footage you can enjoy, so please do take a look. You can also catch me at viewfromadrone.co.uk or aerialaudit.co.uk. Tell you what, it's freezing cold today, so I'm off home now via the pub. Nice pint by a coal fire, or some sort of fire in a pub. See you soon. Bye.